In this video, I'm gonna be telling you what is dropshipping and more. So let's get into the video. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So I'm the Ecom guy. I have 2 years experience when it comes to marketing and growing a channel on social media, and I'm a beginner in e-commerce. So let's get into the video. In its simplest form, dropshipping is just importing a product from overseas where it is really cheap and then making a website either on Shopify, Wix or WordPress and building your store around that product and then selling it for a higher profit. Usually people do that and it works. It is legal, guys. It is not illegal. And if you want to get the product, you can go on websites such as Alibaba, AliExpress or Spock. Those three are the main websites where people usually go to get the product. So once you got that, it is down to the second part. And this isn't really the hard part. This is a bit quicker than the marketing strategies, but that we'll do in a different video. So make sure to subscribe and notifications turned on to see that video. So usually the people only go onto the product page. They don't still look around on the home page because it's wasting their time. So they go onto the product page, and if your product page is good enough, and they will add it to the cart and buy it. So you need to make sure that you have a professional looking product page, logo and fonts are good. It is not the default fonts because that is not that good for your brand. You can actually choose which fonts you want to use in Shopify, Wix or WordPress. It is all there, and you have at least a 14-day free trial to experiment with this, and you can actually build your store and earn money within that 14 days without paying anything. And then the third thing to dropshipping is the marketing. And with the marketing, you can either do it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want to market it on social media. You should keep posting videos regularly so that the algorithm can see it and it will spread it out to more people, which means more sales for you and potentially regularly customers. So yeah, that is basically the nutshell of dropshipping. If you want to learn more, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, more weekly bang content, and check out this video if you want to learn how to market your product on Instagram and if follow for follow work. So yeah, I'll catch you guys there.